Are you considering building a fence for your property? A fencing calculator can simplify the process and ensure accurate material estimation. In this video, we'll guide you on how to use the fencing calculator provided by ATPine to plan and budget your fencing project effectively. To get started, open your web browser and visit ATPine. Open your website and choose the product. Enter the product type, product height and the product length that required for your project and click on the Please Use Our Calculator. This will take you to the ATPine Fencing Calculator webpage. Begin by providing the total length, height and post spacing of the fence you plan to build in meters or feet. Don't forget to check on the option, Do you require starting post? Once you've provided all the necessary fence specifications, click the Calculate or Estimate button to generate the material estimation. The ATPine Fencing Calculator will now display the quantity of timber posts, rails, palings and plinth board. Once you're satisfied with the estimation, you have the option to send it to your mail ID for future reference. This will help you keep track of the required materials and assist you in planning your budget effectively. If you have any questions or need additional assistance with your fencing project, ATPine provides contact information on their website. Feel free to reach out to their knowledgeable team for expert advice and guidance.